Hey, hello everyone. I recently got TANGZU Waner earphones. This is TANGZU Waner SG, the first generation. I got it from Headphone Zone. This is my very first IEM, and I just want to explore the IEM space. And I'm actually not an audiophile, but I do know the differentiation between a good music and a bad music, and a good earphone and a bad earphone. So let me open it and see, and let's check the design. Let's check the quality of the headphones, and let's probably check the sound quality in this video. Let's unbox it for today. Let me open this up. Got a knife. So I got it from my phone for around 1,700 rupees. And by the way, this is an unboxed unit. This is not a brand new unit. So we got a thank you note for buying from Headphone Zone. This also comes with a warranty. We got the different cards with it, face pop. So let's keep it aside. And I also got a bill with it, an invoice. Let's open the box and see how it actually is. I actually like the box very much. I mean, I like the graphics of it, and it's a pretty cool box. Packaging does look a bit old, but let's probably check it out. It comes with a cloth. That's a good thing. I got a cloth with it. And I'm greeted with the actual earphones itself. This is the actual earphones. Let's take it out. This is the actual earphones. I got the tips, and inside I got accessories and the cable. Let's check the accessories first. The box does look, it was opened up and it was used, but this is an unboxed unit. I can't complain. I got the ear tips. Let's open the ear tips up. And let's check out the cable, which is probably the best and the important part of the IEM. I got the USB-C version because my phone has a USB-C adapter, but I got a 3.5mm phone jack. That's an issue. That's an issue. I'm pretty sure I ordered the USB-C versions. Okay, let's see. Currently I don't even have a smartphone with the 3.5mm jack to test it out. So that's where the issue is now. So let's probably attach the pins. It's pretty easy, and it's also like the standard 3.5mm jack here, and also the universal 2-pin connector for IEMs. It looks good, to be honest. It's not that heavy. It also looks stylish. Okay, let's try it on. I think I've connected the headphones wrongly. Okay, it does fit well. It does fit deep. Let me try this one as well. The earphones itself has a pretty good seal. The wire is a bit clumsy. Okay, I'll keep you guys posted. Just follow me to see if I'm going to return it or I'm going to buy a DAC. Thank you everyone.